All right, family. So today I'm just going to do a quick overall as I'm working on Beast. You guys will get to see the whole reveal on Beast pretty soon. As you can see, Beast is no longer the bike that you knew at all. All right. But anyway, check it out. So I'm replacing these stock pieces, the stock bracket, with the HogWorkz adjustment bracket, so where you can shift the exhaust left to right. I'm aiming to use a 5.0 on a back that's designed for a 4.5 and below. When I bring it up, it's going to touch a bit, but I'm going to probably create some type of leather piece. I'm going to have my wife create a strip of leather that I can put inside of here to protect that area or protect the paint from stripping out. But I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. So let's kind of zoom down here. So when the exhaust goes up, it's clearing it the way it needs to, which is good. But if you have to shift the exhaust, if you got to move it left to right, right to left, then you can get like a strap, and that strap will be able to adjust the exhaust left to right. So you would take that little strap and pull it left and pull it right. But what this does, this is going to replace this, that you have these little slots that way you can slide it in and out. All right, this is from HogWorkz. So this is going to be a quick video. I already removed those two slots already, those two bolts, and you just slide this out, slide it away. And then you're going to take a flathead screwdriver. And what we're going to do, we're going to pry this out. I mean, it's common sense, because a lot of times, you know, if you try to put this in, if you look at the distance of this and that, there's no way this is going to fit through that bracket because of the fact there's no flexibility here. So we're going to take this out, take your time, and we're going to pry this bad boy out. All right. And I'm going to aim to not have to put too much force. And just remember how you took it out. Okay. So to make it simple, so now we have some flexibility. So now I can take my time and I can wiggle this thing through much easier. Boom, nice and simple, just like that. And then I'm gonna put this back in its space. All right? So we're gonna put it back in the way we took it out. These grommets are really tight, so just be a little patient with utilizing what you have. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some of the leverage from this here, and I'm going to work it in. I'm going to work it in. So I got my leverage. Boom. So now it's in. All right? So now we're simply going to replace this, adjust it the way you want to adjust it, line it up. Of course, use your blue Loctite. I'm not using any blue Loctite right now, because I still have to make some adjustments for my bag and my specific setup. But I do want to show you the power of this piece and how awesome it is. Now, let's say that you need to get your bike to adjust out this way inwards, right? It's adjusted. Let's say you want to get it out some more. It's adjusted. And all you do is just tighten it down. So see, I got it there, and I'm going to zoom the camera back so you can see the little adjustments that I'm making. So there we go. Right. Now look, if I want to adjust it, I'll go here. If I want it here, I'll bring it right there, and I'll tighten it up right where it's at. Okay? It's a simple, quick install. Let's get back up to the top. I'm going to tighten it down for now, and I'm going to do my space check and make sure that my space where I have it is good. You no longer have to worry about all this crazy pulling and torquing and tweaking. You got to worry about none of that stuff. Okay? So that's right where I want it. That's locked in place. You could put a washer on there if you want to. You can do whatever. All right. So don't worry about anything anymore when it comes to adjusting your pipes. Just go and check out HogWorkz. Fantastic piece of product. And I love it. All right. Big shout out to my man Rob from HogWorkz. Let's get after it. Peace. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Let's go, Ride Fit Nation. We out.